Okay class, today is behavior card day. I will pass out the cards and I will tell you what happens. Here are your cards.
Yes. I got a go card.
Good job, Rosie the pink engine. You have been the best student ever. Go to the master's office and make him proud.
Yes. I got a silver card.
Good job, Thomas the tank engine. Go to the master's office.
Yes. Me and Yugi Muto got bronze cards.
Good job, Yamayuji and Yuji Muto. Go to the master's office.
Yay! Me, Kyokusanagi, and Iori Yagami got pink cards.
Good job, Ash Crimson, Gyokuzan not I, and Iori Yagami. Go to the master's office.
Here we go!
Me and my brother Luigi got magenta cards.
Good job, Mario and Luigi. Go to the master's office.
Awesome. Me, Onyx King 67, and Glitchy Mario 64 got purple cards.
Good job, SMG4, Onyx King 67, and Glitchy Mario 64. Go to the master's office.
Yes, me and Dorichar got violet cards.
Good job, Rainchar and Dorichar. Go to the master's office.
Yes. Me and Sparky the Dragon got indigo cards.
Good job, Mr. Mitz and Sparky the Dragon. Go to the master's office.
Yes, me and my brothers got blue cards.
Good job, Ed, Double D, and Eddie. Go to the master's office.
Yes, I got a cyan card.
Good job, Eager. Go to the master's office.
Yay! I got a green card.
Good job, Sailor Moon. Go to the master's office.
Yes. Me, Shelly Otter, and Baby Butter Otter got mint green cards.
That's right. Peanut, Jelly, and Baby Butter Otter. Go to the master's office and I will see you tomorrow.
I got a white card for the second time.
Okay, Swinging Friar. Go back to your seat.
No. I got a beige card.
It's okay, Kale. But you will have a talk after school. No detention. Please go to the master's office.
Hey, I got a yellow card.
That's right. Sideshow Bob, you have detention for 1 hour. Go to the master's office right now.
Not fair. An orange card.
That's right. Kevin from Ed, Yeet, and Eddie, you have detention for 3 hours. Go to the master's office right now.
No way. I got a red card.
That's right. 12 ounces mouse. You have detention for 5 hours. Go to the master's office right now.
Oh no. I got a brown card.
That's right, Slapshot. You have detention forever. Go to the master's office right now.
Wah. I got a gray card.
That's right, Screech. You are suspended for 1 week. Go to the master's office right now.
No. I got gunmetal.
That's right, BrocklyKnight. You are suspended for 2 weeks. Go to the master's office now.
um, 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 I got a black card. Can you please give me another chance?
Never, absolutely not. Dora, you have been the worst student ever, and I hope Dora and Friends gets cancelled forever. Go to the master's office right freaking now.
So Rosie the pink engine, what card did you get?
I got a go card.
Wow, I can't believe you got a gold card. This means you will graduate forever. You can go home now. Dora, what brings you here now?
I got a black card.
Wow, Rosie the pink engine. I can't believe you got a gold card at school. That's it. You are now out of time out forever. You can do whatever you want.
Yeah.
Dora, how dare you get in dead meat and expelled? That's it. You are in timeout forever.
Now go to your room and stay here until Dora and Friends gets cancelled.